Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we've got a big transformation haircut for this handsome young gentleman. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like and drop a comment below. If you have any ideas, question or need any help, just let me know down there. Let's get into it. Alright, I spray some water on his hair. We separate the top to 3 parts and we start from the middle backward and picking up some small section and cutting little bit. As you are watching, I'm just picking up some small section and going backward. Next step is the other part, is right side. As you can see, I'm just lifting some hair from the middle as well and going backward section by section. And here is the last part of the top hair and cutting a little bit, and here is the other side. So I'm connecting the top hair to the side and back and cutting some hair at the crown part. You can see I just comb the hair to the correct side, the natural way. Well, we put on some clips and separating the top from the side, and we start with the clipper guard number 2 on it, and the lever is completely closed. And you can see I'm using the comb as my guideline and not going all the way up. And now I'm doing some slow motion for you. You can see how I use the clipper. When I reach to the up, I'm coming out with the clipper. Just be careful not going all the way up. And the next step is using guard number 1 just for the side bend and the back line. Just make it looks professional. I'm gonna fade this part, just side bend and the back line. You can see I'm just working on the button, which is the back line. I'm gonna fade. He has lots of baby hair at this part. Just careful not going so much high. You can see I just opened the lever, open and closed. And here is the other side bend. And the next step is using the guard 0.5 after guard number 1 and doing the same things for the button. So the next step is using overcomb techniques and using the clipper over the comb and cut the upside. And you can see I'm just cutting those part, as you can see, and just fading the side. I'm just showing you, just be careful not cutting so much. Okay, now we got scissors now and fading and blading again at the same part and section all around the side. Just look at how I'm blending, how I hold the comb. And the next step is lining up this all around the ears, back. You can see how I line up, doing the same. Look at how I hold the trimmer for lining up and cutting around the ears and the back of the ears. So guys, we're almost there. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video and drop a comment below. Now we're done with the haircut. Now it's the time for using the hair dryer and style the hair. As you are watching this video, just style it very well Now I'm using some pomade. It's shining, and look at how I use it for the hair. Just spread on your palm, put on the hair equally, and using the brush for styling the hair and brushing. And after that I'm gonna use some spray to hold my hairstyle for long period of the time. Okay guys, thank you so much again for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video and comment video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.